two leading e-commerce platforms, each with thousands of loyal users, but which one truly delivers in 2025? On the left, BigCommerce, easy, powerful, and scalable for any business. And on the right, PrestaShop, open source freedom to build your perfect online store. Let's skip the marketing talk and dive straight into the features that matter. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll see which platform comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Here's our roadmap for the showdown. We're comparing everything from ease of use, pricing and cost, scalability, design and customization, shipping and fulfillment, and finally support and community. So yeah, we've got a lot to cover. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, ease of use. Alright, let's talk about BigCommerce. I gotta say, the dashboard is pretty simple and the setup wizard actually walks you through the basics, like you don't need to know how to code at all. Drag and drop editor, super friendly for beginners. But hey, there are a few folks grumbling about little glitches and sometimes slow support, but overall, it's designed to keep things easy. Now, with PrestaShop, you get full access to the source code, so if you're a tech whiz, you can do pretty much anything. And here's the thing, the learning curve is, honestly, kinda steep. You need to handle hosting, maintenance, all the nitty-gritty. So for most people, BigCommerce definitely wins for ease of use. It just takes the stress out. Let's move on to pricing and cost. With BigCommerce, it's an all-in-one package, so hosting, security, all those basics are included. But that does mean you've got monthly fees, and if you want those advanced features, you're looking at bumping up to a higher plan. Now, PrestaShop, totally free to download and install. Such a low entry cost, especially good for small stores just starting out. Here's the catch though, add-ons and premium modules can really stack up the price fast, plus you're managing your own hosting and updates. So if you're watching your wallet for a new store, PrestaShop has the edge, but just know costs can kinda sneak up on you as you grow. Now, scalability. With BigCommerce, you're totally covered if your store starts blowing up overnight, traffic spikes. No sweat. There's multi-currency, multi-language stuff, custom APIs, the works. Only thing is, the juicy enterprise tools sit behind those expensive plans. PrestaShop offers a different vibe. You control hosting, server upgrades, all that. It's super customizable if you have the technical skills. Thing is, scaling up isn't as straightforward, and there's not a ton of official backup for gigantic stores. So BigCommerce, for scaling with ease, comes out on top. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know? PrestaShop powers over 300,000 stores worldwide. Meanwhile, BigCommerce, it's the secret sauce behind brands like Skullcandy and Ben & Jerry's. Just a fun fact while you're thinking about which ecosystem you might want to join. Let's talk design and customization. BigCommerce throws in a lot of modern templates, and some are pretty customizable, not gonna lie. But you do get less flexibility than what you'd find in true open-source setups. Now, PrestaShop, this is where it shines. Literally, you get to mess with the code, and there are thousands, and I mean thousands, of modules and themes out there. But be aware, sometimes the premium stuff comes with a hefty price tag, and some of the base designs at first glance can look kinda dated. For creative freedom though, PrestaShop totally takes the win. Onto shipping and fulfillment. BigCommerce bundles everything together: shipping dashboard, real-time quotes, easy label printing, and you get carrier discounts. If you want the super advanced shipping stuff though, you'll need a higher plan. PrestaShop is flexible for local carriers, and you can set up custom rules for shipping fees. Very cool, but you've gotta do manual integrations and often pay for those top-tier shipping tools. In terms of out-of-the-box convenience, BigCommerce grabs the win here for shipping. Now, support and community. BigCommerce offers 24/7 official support. You can hit them up by chat, phone, email, so that's a big deal. And if your enterprise, priority support is available. Downside: yeah, sometimes the wait can be long and not every ticket gets solved as fast as you'd hope. PrestaShop, on the other hand, has a huge, active community. Forums everywhere, questions getting answered, but no live chat or phone support. For deep or complex issues, you might need to pay a pro. So if you want reliable support at every hour, BigCommerce pulls ahead. Let's take a look at the radar chart. At a glance, you'll see where each platform shines and where, honestly, the challenges are. Like, BigCommerce just keeps winning in those easy-to-use, scalable, and shipping categories. PrestaShop doesn't lag, especially in customization and affordable entry, but you gotta be ready to do a bit of heavy lifting. So, if you want to focus on your products and growth and not get lost in tech headaches, BigCommerce is probably your best bet in 2025. But if you love tinkering, want true open-source freedom, and have the technical chops, PrestaShop could be your playground. Just know it's a little more hands-on and not as plug-and-play as BigCommerce. Need more platform battle breakdowns? Follow or bookmark to stay up to date.